Is your car key broken, damaged or faulty? We can repair it, and it has never been easier for you to get this service. Broken blade, remote not operating, key housing damage are all covered. All you have to do is to find your vehicle in the menu above, order the key service and pack your key. We'll then organize secure key collection and we'll get it into our workshop. Once we have it, we repair it and post it back to you same day in most of the cases. Restore functionality and look of your car key with our convenient, efficient and secure car key repair service.